First of all is to lie down on the ground and start crying.
Our phones. Now, whether you have Team iOS or Team Android, we'd all know the pains of a broken screen. So we're here to the street to hear different phone stories.
If my phone break right now,
that's a very big one. I'll be very, very unhappy because screens are very expensive now.
Honestly, I won't let you. I'll just find a way to repair it.
I'll feel very frustrated though, because I'll be thinking that I'll have to spend another expenses.
In fact, my system will be down.
Work, everything is there, so I'll basically freak out.
Immediately, my phone gets broken. I tell you, I could withdraw my last card in my account to go and fix it back.
If someone call me, I can't pick it.
Sometimes it can injure you when you are swiping.
In my own case, half of the screen was blank. So I'd have to, rotate it and be dialing from either above or the bottom.
It can be annoying. It will just be hanging. You will not, all the function will just cease.
If I want to repair my phone, maybe I have screen problem. At least nothing less than 50K.
The least will be 20K upward.
I use Samsung, and Samsung will be 100 plus.
It's going to cost me 200 plus.
The guy said 75,000. I asked him, am I buying another phone? He said no, it's the screen.
Why spend so much money when Access Slot can fix your broken phone screen from as low as 2,500 Naira?
If you break it,
Access Slot will fix it.